This Samsung cooker hood is perfect if you're looking for an excellent value model with technology that can clear steam quickly. It has LED lighting, a noise level of 69 decibels and a grease filter. It's ideal for a medium-sized kitchen as it has an extraction rate of 558 cubic meters per hour. The boost mode is a great feature that gives you extra power to remove steam and cooking smells as quickly as possible. Simply select the boost option and the fan's strongest suction setting will kick in for 5 minutes, taking steam buildups out of the kitchen quicker than standard models. So, whether you're boiling, frying, or just cooking a more fragrant dish, the air in your kitchen will always be clean and clear. This model has stylish touch controls that make selecting your programs effortless. With a simple touch of the display, you can adjust the extraction rate, turn on the light, and select the automatic intensive switch-off setting. This means you can use your cooker hood with ultimate control, ease, and precision. If you're looking for an excellent value cooker hood that can clear steam quickly, this model from Samsung is the perfect choice.